Swoop is a fun and easy-to-learn card game designed for 3 to 8 players, requiring one deck of cards for every 2 players, along with a scorekeeping method. The main objective is to be the first to play all your cards while accumulating the lowest score possible, aiming for 500 points over multiple hands or playing with a set time limit. Players take turns matching cards by rank, with special rules for swooping, removing 4 matching cards, and using tens and jokers as powerful swoop cards. Players draw 19 cards each and organize their hands strategically, focusing on getting rid of high point cards like face cards while utilizing the swoop cards wisely. The game encourages tactical play and can be enjoyed with either traditional or beginner scoring methods, making it accessible for players of all ages.